guys, and welcome to my channel. I thought I'd do something different and actually show my face today. So I have a bit more time these days in the morning, so I thought I'd get ready somewhat and make myself look a little bit more presentable. So today I'm going to be sharing my bathroom refresh, my master bathroom refresh. It's been about a year since I renovated it myself on a budget, and I can link that video in the description box if you want to see the whole process. I can actually make up a little playlist because I have my kind of vision board on there, and then I have the actual process, and then I also have a tutorial on how to paint your own cabinets. So I will have a little playlist down in the description box for you if you want to check that out. But like I said, it's been about a year and I feel like I need to change up some things around, a little bit of decor. So we're gonna clean it and then we're gonna decorate it. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the bathroom. I have taken everything out, as you can see, emptied the shelves, took all the decor out except the stuff hanging on the wall, and I'm going to leave those there because I still enjoy having them. And then I'm going to start with cleaning everything, and here are the supplies that I'm using for cleaning. I keep getting stains in the toilet no matter what I do, so I switched to this one just to try if it's gonna help with at least masking the stains, because nothing seems to be cleaning them. And then I have the wood cleaner for all the wood surfaces, a little bit of mirror cleaner, so these are the Method ones. And then I had bought this one just to give it a try. We were really running low in the store on Method cleaning supplies, and so I kind of had to figure out something else to buy. So I had bought the Vim Power and Shine antibacterial in what scent is this? I can't even see. It doesn't have any bleach. 0% disinfectant. New look. I don't think it says what scent it is, but anyways. And then I just have a couple microfiber cloths and a polishing cloth, and I like to color coordinate. So one will be for wood, one will be for glass, and one will be for the Vim. So let's get started. So I always start with the top and work my way to the bottom. So obviously I'm starting with cleaning the mirror, and I'm going to be cleaning the light fixtures as well, just giving them a bit of dusting. And I am, like I mentioned, using Method window cleaner. I do love the Method window cleaner, probably the best, like it more than Windex, and it is a little bit better for the environment and you. And then I always like to buff it out as well, because I find with certain microfiber cloths, if they're not good quality, which some of the ones I have aren't, it just doesn't, it leaves too much lint. If you have any tips or tricks on how to avoid leaving lint with microfiber cloths, leave me down a comment. I would love to know. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. I am so glad that you have decided to press play and hang out with me. My name is Sonja, and this is my home channel where you will find tons of cleaning and organizing inspiration. If you like what you see, I would love it if you considered becoming part of my YouTube family and pressing that notification bell as well as the subscribe button so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And I hope that you find this video very motivating to get anything that's on your to-do list done, or maybe you're just looking for something to watch. I do love watching cleaning videos and often just watch them with a cup of tea. So I'm hoping that, maybe that's what you're doing. Nevertheless, I'm so grateful that you have decided to press that play button. If by any chance you're popping over from my DIY channel and you have watched last year's transformation, I am happy to report that the paint had held out quite well, even though I have 2 large dogs sleeping in this bathroom almost every night, and I'm always concerned that they're gonna scratch it. But let me tell you, the paint is durable and there are almost no scratches at all. Once I was done cleaning the sink and the countertop, I moved on to the tub, and this is, for me, the easiest way to clean it is to get right into it, inside of it. And I just wanted to mention, how are you liking my socks and sandals? Look, it is so freezing in my house because of the air conditioner, because it's like 42 degrees outside Celsius, and I am just so cold on my feet. I usually wear a sweater as well, especially if I'm in a basement, but because I was cleaning up, I kind of brought up my body temperature a little bit, so I didn't need to wear a sweater. But oh my goodness, I have to wear socks all the time. And now moving on to my least favorite thing to clean, and that is the toilet. So not only because it is a toilet, but also for some reason this is where all the hair collects. Not only my hair, but the dog hair as well. So I am going to be cleaning it with a rag, and then I will go over it with the buffing cloth, because I find that gets rid of all the hair. So now that it's almost done, I am going to move on to decorating it. I love decorating with trays. I have mentioned this many times before, and this tray was from my DIY channel. I just recently repurposed some other DIY that I made, and I repurposed it into a tray. So I decided to use it here because I find that this the style is kind of farmhouse coastal that's happening in my bathroom, so I wanted to use it here. And I had the one jar for the apothecary jar for one for both the Q-tips and the facial cloth thingies. but then I decided to split them up. I typically use reusable ones on daily basis, but I like having these, especially if I'm removing nail polish and things like that. I have picked up this jar. It's actually supposed to be a cookie jar, and I picked it up over at Dollarama for, I think it was like $2, and I thought it looked really good, and I think it's gonna look spectacular once I actually have the bath pumps in it. So now I'm moving on to these two shelves, and they are above my toilet, and I just like to dust them. I don't dust them on regular basis, but once in a while I do like to remove them and give them a good dusting. As we're sitting here in silence, all I'm hearing is the rain. Don't mean to be so quiet, but there's nothing left. Before I renovated the bathroom, I didn't really have any space to add decor into the bathroom, just pretty much the sink, and I always like to keep the sink functional, and then the tub. But I am kind of enjoying having these shelves here because I think it just adds extra character into my bathroom. Do you guys decorate your bathrooms? Let me know. I do not decorate the kids' bathroom because, let's just face it, it's a kids' bathroom, and that would be just extra things for me to clean in there, and that bathroom is a mess as it is. But I am enjoying having this one and my powder room decorated. I do love how this flowering garden bin looks with extra face towels and hand towels. And I love the combination of greenery with all the wood and metal. This is another DIY project that I did. Just spray painted it. It was gold before, and I love the way it looks with the toilet paper in it. Now around the tub, I played around with different setups. I'm using this container to hold all my masks, my hair mask, my face mask, my hands mask, and my feet mask. I like giving myself mini spas at home all the time, so I always like to have those things on hand. Say, it's been going for a long time, but it's hard to cut the ties when there's no turning back, no, and we're saying goodbye. Try to make it work, and I gave it all. I've been fighting for love, that I got nothing from. Try to fit them up, this can't be right. We are at a point where we just can't pretend things will be alright if we just start again. The last thing I add to my tub is this bath tray, which was also a DIY that I made, and I love using this thing so much. I put my iPad on it, books, glass of wine, and candles, of course. So to finish off my cleaning and decorating, I just run a vacuum. I have cleaned this room thoroughly just a couple days ago, and I didn't need to wash it, but I didn't want to decorate a dirty sink, so I re-cleaned it again, but I wasn't going to wash it again because I'll probably be washing it in a couple days anyways. Used to be the perfect lovers, used to be the closest friends. I didn't want no other, but this man has got a hand. So it is all done. I will wash the floor. So today's Tuesday. I washed the floor on Saturday. So I will be washing the floor probably on Friday again. So I just wanted to vacuum up the hair, but the floor washing wasn't necessary at this time. So let me show you my bathroom, the way it looks all decorated now. So I need to get more bath bombs, and I think that's gonna look really pretty when it's full. For bath bombs, I did think I had more, but since I'm not the only one using them, sometimes I don't realize that they're all gone. And I will link any DIYs that are used in this room that I made over on my other channel. I will link them in the description box so you can also check those out if you want to venture out and DIY some stuff yourself. I really like how well this works, just putting toilet paper, extra toilet papers in a basket. That I had spray painted myself. It was gold and came from Dollarama. Most of my decor is budget friendly, like I said, DIYs and dollar store items mostly. There is one item here that's not from dollar store. And like I said, I will link the video of how I renovated this bathroom and made like those shelves and the mirror and where all the other stuff had come from. I will link it in the description box if you want to check it out. So that candle holder came from Home Sense, the lantern. And as you saw, I changed it up a little bit from what I originally did. I think this looks just a little bit better. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to press that subscribe button if you're not. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your continuing support. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching.